We'll solve a quadratic equation by completing the square. The equation we'll solve is x squared minus 4x minus 10 equals 0. Show your work just means that we're going to show the steps that we use to solve by completing the square. When we complete the square, we copy the problem that we had, only we leave the terms containing x on one side of the equation, and we add the 10 on both sides to move the constant to the other side of the equation. I've left a space here because I'm going to add a number on this side. Adding the number will complete the square. What number do I add? Well, I look at the x term. I have negative 4x. I look at the negative 4. I take negative 4, divide it by 2, and square it. That would be negative 2 squared, which would be 4. That is the number that I want to add here. Well, of course, if I add a number on one side of an equation, I have to add it on the other side as well. Now I've completed the square on this side because this is a trinomial that I can factor as x minus 2 squared. And that equals 10 plus 4, or 14. Now this enables me to use the principle of square roots and say that x minus 2 has to equal the square root of 14, or x minus 2 must equal the opposite of the square root of 14. Solving for x, I have x equals 2 plus the square root of 14, or x equals 2 minus the square root of 14. And when I write the solutions, I can combine these two answers by using a plus or minus sign. I can say the solutions are 2 plus or minus the square root of 14.